Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of upcycling with a focus on wood scraps. If you have leftover wood from previous projects or just small pieces lying around, this video is for you. We'll explore creative and thoughtful gift ideas that you can make for every occasion, proving that no scrap is too small to create something beautiful. Let's get started. Why upcycle wood scraps? Before we jump into the projects, let's talk about why upcycling is important. Not only does it reduce waste, but it also allows you to create unique, personalized gifts that are perfect for friends and family. Plus, it's a great way to unleash your creativity. Project 1, Wooden Keychains. Our first project is simple yet practical, wooden keychains. Here's how to make them. Materials: small wood scraps, keychain rings, drill, sandpaper, and wood finish. Steps: cut your wood into fun shapes or simple rectangles, sand the edges to make them smooth, drill a hole at one end and attach the keychain ring, finish with a coat of oil or stain for a polished look. These make great little gifts for anyone. Project 2, Custom Coasters. Next up, let's create custom coasters. They're perfect for housewarming gifts or just to add a personal touch to your home. Materials: thin wood slices or scrap pieces, sandpaper, and wood finish. Steps: if using slices, ensure they're even and smooth. Sand any rough edges, personalize them with wood burning or paint designs, apply a protective finish to make them durable. Voila! You have beautiful coasters that are both functional and stylish. Project 3, Picture Frames. Our third idea is a charming picture frame. This is a great way to showcase memories. Materials: wood scraps, wood glue, clamps, and finishes. Steps: cut the wood into frame pieces based on your desired size, assemble the pieces using wood glue and clamps. Once dry, sand the edges and apply a finish, insert your favorite photo, and you have a heartfelt gift. Project 4, Decorative Shelf. For our final project, let's make a small decorative shelf. This can be a lovely gift for a friend or family member. Materials: larger wood scraps, brackets, screws, and finish. Steps: cut your wood to the desired shelf size, sand the edges and apply a finish, attach brackets to the wall and secure your shelf. You can even add small potted plants or decorative items as part of the gift. It's a practical and stylish addition to any home. DIY wood scrap upcycling. Gift ideas for every occasion. Upcycling wood scraps is a fantastic way to reduce waste while creating thoughtful and personalized gifts. Whether you have leftover pieces from previous projects or just small bits lying around, there are countless ways to transform them into unique gifts for every occasion. Here are some creative ideas to inspire your next DIY project. 1. Wooden Keychains. Description: wooden keychains are simple yet practical gifts that can be customized for anyone. Materials needed: small wood scraps, keychain rings, drill, sandpaper, wood finish. Optional. Instructions: cut the wood. Start by cutting your wood scraps into fun shapes or simple rectangles. Sand the edges. Use sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges. Drill a hole. Create a hole at one end for the keychain ring. Finish. Optionally, apply a coat of oil or stain to enhance the wood's appearance. 2. Custom coasters. Description: Custom coasters are perfect for housewarming gifts and add a personal touch to any home. Materials needed: thin wood slices or scrap pieces, sandpaper, wood finish, optional, wood burning tool or paint. For personalization, instructions: prepare the wood, ensure your wood slices are even and smooth. Sand any rough edges, personalize, use a wood burning tool or paint to add designs or initials. Finish, apply a protective finish to make them durable and water resistant. 3. Picture frames. Creating a picture frame is a heartfelt way to showcase cherished memories. Instructions: cut the wood, measure and cut the wood into frame pieces based on your desired size. Assemble the frame, use wood glue and clamps to hold the pieces together while drying. Sand and finish. Once dry, sand the edges and apply a finish. Insert a photo, add a favorite photo for a personal touch. For decorative shelves, a small decorative shelf makes a stylish and practical gift for a friend or family member. Materials needed: larger wood scraps, brackets, screws, sandpaper, wood. Finish. Instructions: cut the shelf, decide on the size of your shelf and cut the wood accordingly. Sand and finish. Sand the edges to smooth any rough spots and apply a finish. Install, attach brackets to the wall and secure your shelf. Style it, add small potted plants or decorative items to make it even more special. 5. Wooden planters. Description: wooden planters bring a rustic charm and can be used to house indoor plants. Materials needed: wood scraps, wood glue or screws, sandpaper, wood finish, optional. Instructions: design the planter, plan the dimensions and shape of your planter, cut and assemble. Cut the wood pieces and assemble them using glue or screws. Sand and finish. Sand the edges and apply a finish. To protect the wood, add plants, fill with soil and your favorite plants for a lovely gift. Conclusion: upcycling wood scraps not only helps reduce waste but also allows you to create unique, personalized gifts for every occasion. Whether it's a keychain, coaster, picture frame, or decorative shelf, each piece can carry a special meaning. So gather your wood scraps and get crafting. Happy upcycling! Thank you for joining me on this DIY wood scrap upcycling journey. I hope these gift ideas inspire you to create something special for every occasion. Remember, upcycling not only helps the environment but also adds a personal touch to your gifts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.